Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I came with an interesting video about bedroom decor with DIY items which will be very budget friendly. You can see this one, this is my bedroom and at the same time my studio also. So I decorated this one. This is the extra bedroom actually I am having in my home. So I plan to decorate this one for the videos and my studio also. So this is the lighting which I kept as electronics candles. So this is the overlook and the wall is having some tree painting that is painted with professionals. So this is about the room, clear view. It's very normal size room. So here, which is completely plain, I decorated it with some chest and at the same time some Buddha statue which is purchased outside in the market. And next remaining all the things are my decorative items only. The pillow covers. Those pillow covers also got from the Amazon. The set of 3. And remaining items are DIY items. The pink pillow which is the DIY item, and the pots which are on the headboard of the bed, those are normal clay pots. I painted those. Here you see in front of Buddha there is a white box now, that is also painted one, and the candle here, that is electric candle in the glass jar. And this bottle is a normal cool drink bottle. I painted with acrylic colors and gold combination, which is I am growing the money plant for the freshness in the room. I kept it like that. And it is one of my dupatta, that pink one. The pink is constant, that is completely color is elevated. So I thought some counter color for this background, so I thought to give the pink color. So if you come for these parts are painted, and this wall is painted with some texture, that is leafy texture. So I selected bed sheet also according to the color to complement with the walls and curtain. I thought like that. So I selected particularly it's from the Metro. So if you come for the next one, these are the lanterns. These are very cheap, just 150 rupees lanterns are there. So 2 set I got for 300. And this is the wind chime. Actually this is very old one. I prepared 4 years back. So for air it is becoming like this. Daily it is oscillating because of window. See here you can see the pillow, which is the DIY pillow. This is just wrap pillow. This is not a cover. With 2 cloths I wrapped the pillow with pink and blue Buddha's kalamkari cloth. I made this pillow. So just I wrapped and attached with the safety pins in the back side. So this became as a pillow. So if you come for these parts, I painted these lanterns. So I thought every time we'll keep in the table, on the tables only, no. So I thought why don't we hang them. So I hanged them because of the background, white background with the green color, though both are complementing with the wall. So here the lighting effect is very effective. Here is a white tray. This is also the DIY one. The normal tray I painted with white and golden designs. I made normal designs. Each green. Sorry, the curtains are light green. So that is pista green. So it is complementing the white wall. And And I selected particularly the pillow covers are colorful because the room is completely bold and which is in only one shade, like light pista green shade. So I thought some dark color pillow covers only will complement that one, but I tried many, but these things only complemented with the wall because of colorful and rainbow look. These light color walls are complementing with the rainbow colors of that Buddha pillow and that multiple colors flower pillow covers. Because of this one, the look is elegant and very peaceful, and the pots particularly according to single color I made a small pots with this which is just 10 rupees out from the market. So I painted with acrylic colors those pots also. With normal brushes only I painted. So this is the outlook if you see from the outside. And as a rug I kept one shiny and silk dupatta of mine. I am not using that one which is completely old one, and it's very shiny, so I kept it like that only. So that's why I thought it can be useful here to give some colorful look for this bed, because the bed is completely pale in color and the white is designed, so it's not dark color. So that's why I kept that dupatta dark color which is having the same shade. See here the leaves of the money plant. It is 5 months old money plant. So this Buddha is from outside. I got from market. That clay market will be there. No, I got it from there. This quite big one. So this box is a DIY box, normal spectacle box actually this is. I painted completely white with this, and after painting white color background I made small designs with some colors. Freehand painting this one with multiple colors. And this bottle also, it look like a glass bottle but it is normal bottle only. So if you see those pots, colorful pots in the same design, plain pots with some dots. With earbuds I used the dots. All are Fevicryl colors only I used, because it will dry immediately and it will appear in very fine and shiny manner. So that's why I used all Fevicryl colors only, acrylic colors. So this is about the tooth. Thanks for watching.